So hello, how you going? And this is Glenn, and in today's video we're going to be looking at cutting corners. So have you ever heard of this, cutting corners? And it does have a little reference of what you're actually looking at. You cut the corner of something. So we have, I don't know, the phone. We cut the corner of the phone. But what happens when you actually cut corners off a phone? You're actually damaging it. You're actually doing a disservice to the phone, and you could actually cause it to break in the future. That's exactly what cutting corners is. So if we have a look, it says doing a poor job to save money or time. So basically, you're cutting corners, like you're building a house. You are cutting corners to save money. So you should have actually used a good quality cladding or outside of the building. But you instead of paying like, I don't know, $25 per square meter, you pay $14. So you save money. That is cutting corners. And you can also do it with time. So if you need to dig up your garden, but it is gonna take you a whole day to dig it up with a shovel. So instead, you get in a motorized hoe. And then you dig it up. It takes like 1 or 2 hours. That is cutting corners. But cutting corners on time might not specifically be, or money will not be a bad thing in itself, especially time. But in this case, if you're cutting corners on a lot of like a building on time or money is a bad thing. If you're cutting corners to dig up your garden, it's not a bad thing, because there are different consequences in each. Anyway, here I'll leave the video. I hope you learned something today, and have an awesome English learning day. And take care.